Hi there, and welcome once again to Sora. This is a video that I generated, or at least Sora generated, from a photo that I took, instant photo, of my son's dog, Apple. So notice what happens. I asked for a flying dog adventure, at least my son did. He asked me to add bunny ears and have the dog fly in the air. And Sora called it Flying Dog Adventure, which is kind of nice. So notice what happens when you click on it. You get the video. Isn't that amazing? The face really resembles it. The body doesn't, because I didn't take a shot of the body, but at least you can see what it's like. Isn't that amazing? That's a real flyer, eh? All right, so you can have a lot of fun with Sora. You can also go into edit or view and edit, or just revise prompt and create new videos. View, you can recut, remix, blend, and loop. We're going to go into view and edit, and notice what you get here, the different sizes here. Okay, so you can have these sizes. Nice, but notice it cuts it. Let's go back into this one. Notice it also cuts it. And notice here you can see source media. You can add caption. You can convert it back to text. Add caption or delete it. Notice what else you can do here. The most that I get right now is 5 seconds for the free version, and the resolution is 480. I can notice the prompt here. Show you. There's the prompt. I only asked for add bunny ears and the dog flies in the air. But here it's a small dog with a fluffy white gray coat. So you can change that. And let's hit create and see what we get this time. Okay, it takes time. It's not that fast right now. I'm sure it'll be faster, and I'm sure things will improve as we go. But right now it's rather slow if you're using a photo. By the way, you can also take a video and use that as well. And notice you get a list of all your videos. Flying dog. Okay, this is the one that I just created. And now we can see that it's at 79%, which is nice because you don't just see the one there under at the top right there with the activity under it, but you also get to see how long it's taking. Okay, so there it is. Now it's done. Now notice this one is just hopping along, but this one is actually flying in the air. Okay, so there we go. It's really flying in the air. And that's it. Enjoy the fun. That's all it is right now as far as I'm concerned, because 5 seconds is too little and there's no sound. So it's just for fun. And I think it's great for learners of foreign languages because they can actually write things or ask for things and see how they go and what they get. And then they can share it. So it's a wonderful way to learn a language or practice a language. Let me know what you think. Try it out and enjoy.